What's up guys, this is a follow-up to the LK screen protector that I did. So I did the unboxing for this and I also bought the glass screen protector which didn't work, so I had to put back on my old film screen protector. So just take off my case. So here is the film. I don't know if you can see, but there's still loads of bubbles on it. So what I'm gonna do today is install another film protector. Okay. Alright, so there's... Oh, I need to put the camera lens protector on as well. I might do that first. Or is it like this to prevent it from moving? Okay. Okay, so I don't think this is even sticky. It's really dusty. It's a bit lopsided, but it's okay. So that was easy. Okay, I gotta take off the old protector. Wow. It's full of dust. Okay, don't need this. Okay, this is gonna slip and slide. Might be easier to work like this. So this is just the guide, you'll see in a minute. Like that. Then I have to take off all these at different stages. Okay, alcohol pad. Oh, this is completely dry. It's okay, I have some lens cleaner. So just put some lens cleaner on there. Alcohol prep pad, yeah, this is supposed to be wet. Okay. It's clean enough. Get the dry wipe or the dry cloth. Okay. Remove some dust. Okay, I have to remove this. Isn't that right? Oh no. This was supposed to be last. Oh well. I'll have to put this back on, but it's fine because this is the top part of the cover. But what sucks is it's slightly off. It's impossible to take off. Okay, that sucks. Where's the squidgy thing? Ah, crap. Okay, that's enough. Okay. Rubbish. To get all the air bubbles out. It's weird, it scratches very easily. Don't need this anymore. leave scratch marks, but it's just only on the film. Okay, so I found that this is just cardboard and it was just bending. It was really difficult to get the bubbles out. So what I did was I got this guitar pick, then I just wrapped this cloth around it, and then I was able to get all the bubbles out, most of the bubbles. And there we have it. That's the screen protector on there. And I'll put it back in. Let me first give it a quick wipe. Yep. And there we have it. That's the installation of the film protector screen by LK. If you have any questions or suggestions, leave them in the comment section down below. Thanks for watching. See you in the next one. Bye bye.